So good afternoon to all. So in our previous class we discussed the introduction to management accounting related concepts. Now we will start with the new topic called as difference between financial accounting and management accounting. Excellent. So if you observe recent attempt question paper, question number 2A belongs to difference between accounts and management accounting. Difference question only they are asked. Correct? Now listen carefully. Difference between whom and whom? Accounts, management accounting. Financial accounting. What is the main purpose of the financial accounting? Means there are five purposes. Five purposes are there. Number one, art of recording. Next, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting. So, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting. There are five purposes to study the entire financial accounting. Accounts means three subjects there. Financial accounts means only one subject. Correct? Accounts means three subjects. What is the subject name? Management accounting. Financial accounting means only one subject. Correct? Excellent. Next one. What is the purpose of the management accounting? To make effective decisions. To make what ma? Effective decision. It means decision can be here. Decision can be classified into two types: routine decision, special decision. What is meant by routine? What is meant by special? Organization, listen carefully ma. Organization taking wrong decision. That wrong decision lead impact on survival of the business. Such wrong decision has leading such businesses shut down. Such businesses then special decision. Your decision is wrong but not impacted on survival. It is impacted on business. It's called routine decision. Routine. Excellent. So what is the purpose of the financial accounting? Five purposes. What is the management accounting purposes? To make effective decision. To make effective decision regarding the business. Regarding what ma? Business. Next ma. Financial accounting is prepared for what purpose ma? Reflect true and fair view. So to reflect what ma? True and fair view of the picture. Correct? Generally in the view of business, there are three types of business are there. Number one, sole proprietary. Number two, partnership. Number three, company. In case of sole proprietary, there is no problem. Owner, management, one and the same. In case of partnership firm, owner, management, one and the same. Chances is there. At least chances is there. If it is not, no chances is there means in that firm sleeping partners are there. Otherwise we can tell in that firm other than active partners are there. Might be nominal partner, might be partnership by holding out or any other as a case may be. But in case of company, it's totally different. Who is the real owner? Equity shareholder, or you can name it as shareholder. Correct? Who is the managing the business? Board of director. Board of then in the view of shareholder, he is always thinking whether my investment into the company whether properly used or any misused by the company. That is the reason company will prepare financial statement and communicate to stakeholder. This is a usage pattern. With the help of this usage pattern, we arrive net profit. We gave certain dividends. We gave certain interest. After payment of interest and dividend, certain amount held with us is called reserves and surplus. In accounts language, reserves and surplus is there, right? Excellent. So what is the main application? Financial accounting is prepared to give true and fair view. Whatever transaction is happened during the particular period, we have to communicate. We have to communicate. Management accounting helps what to take meaningful steps and strategies. What is meant by strategy? Strategy means it's a game plan to attract the customer, to beat the competitor, to sell our product, to grasp highest market share. To grasp highest. Excellent. Scope. It is a pervasive but not as much as management accounting. Management accounting is much broader. Please write here, I dot E, that is narrow scope. Narrow scope. Here, wider scope. Wider scope. Why are you telling narrow, wider? Means financial accounting include only financial accounts. Management accounting include accounts, management, mathematics, statistics, financial management, etc. We can tell. So many subjects they are included. That is a much broader scope. There is a much broader scope. Till now clear? What type of information will be recorded under accounts? Only quantitative. Here quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative and qualitative. Till now clear? Excellent. Next ma. Interdependence. Listen carefully. Accounts include management accounting. Management accounting include accounts. Yes sir. Management accounting include costing. Management accounting include management. Answer is yes. Management accounting include statistics. Management accounting include mathematics. Management accounting include various subjects. Various. It means we can tell that accounts never depends upon management accounting. However, management accounting is always depends upon accounts. Till now discussion clear? What is the main purpose of management accounting? To make a decision. To make a our situation whether to go for replacement of the machinery or not. We have 3 years old machinery, 3 years old machinery, but working is very low or very low speed, we can tell. Working is very low speed, very low. They are working, machine is working, but very low, not faster. Faster production we can't expect. Why? Because 3 years back we purchased. That too, before 3 years technology is different. Here in now onwards technology is different in that machinery. Correct? Now we are thinking whether to go for replacement. Replacement means you know, right? We will dispose the old machinery, we will purchase a new machinery. Whether to go for replacement or not. If it is good or bad, we can, we can't. We can, we can't. We can, we can't. We can't tell anything. Why? Because it's purely depends upon accounts. Why? If organization is suffering losses, how can you go for replacement? Organization doesn't have funds. Correct? That is the reason management accounting always depends upon accounts. Management accounting always depends upon costing. Management accounting always depends upon mathematics. Management accounting always depends upon statistics. Management accounting, whatever subjects included are there, management accounting is directly or indirectly dependent on them. Dependent on them. Till now discussion clear? Excellent. Next, statutory requirement. Statutory requirement means, my dear friend, law requirement. We can tell legal requirement. Law or legal requirement. Section 128 of the Companies Act 2013, Section 129 of the Companies Act 2013, Section 44AA of Income Tax Act, Section 44AA of which act ma? Income Tax Act. IT means not information technology. Income tax. Clear? Excellent. Listen carefully. Listen. Section 128 clearly mentioned, clearly specified about every company in India. Every company means might be private company, might be public company, might be OPC, limited by shares, limited by guarantee, unlimited company, or any form of company, or you can tell, including Section 8 company, whatever. Every company should maintain books of accounts. Who told? 128 of the Companies Act 2013. Companies Act 2013 means it's one of the law in India. It means we can conclude that according to section 128, every company, I don't have interest to maintain the books of accounts. Can I skip? Can I ignore? Can I escape? Answer is no. We have to maintain the books of accounts. What is the summary of the story? If you read properly section 128 of the Companies Act 2013, then we can realize or we can get to know accounts is mandatory as per law. Which law? Two laws are told. Number one, section 128 of Companies Act 2013, section 129 of the Companies Act 2013. What 129 told? What is 128? Maintenance of books of account. 129, preparation of financial statement. Preparation of what, ma? It means every company, listen carefully, listen. 129 is wrote very beautifully. Listen carefully. Every company should prepare their financial statement in Schedule 3. They clearly told every company in India should prepare their financial statement in which form? Schedule 3, except banking company, insurance company, electricity company, Section 8 company, or any other company as notified by government. Banking company, no need to prepare Schedule 3. Insurance company, no need. Electricity, no need. Section 8, no need. Any other company as notified. If it is notified, they will add. Correct? Now tell me, accounts, legally required, legally optional? Legally required. If you read PGBP chapter, section 44AA is there, maintenance of books of accounts. Certain limits are there. If turnover limit is exceeding such limit, such assessee, don't tell organization, don't tell company, such assessee should maintain books of accounts. It means we can conclude that in the background of Companies Act 2013, in the background of Income Tax Act 1961, correct? According to Companies Act 2013, according to Income Tax Act 1961, maintenance of books of accounts is mandatory as per law. Which law? Two laws. As of now we discussed. Till now clear? However, there is no laws are told management accounting is mandatory. Hello, good morning. Accounts mandatory as per law? As per law, management accounting mandatory? Answer is no. It is a completely optional. It's a completely. It means legally mandatory. Here, no statutory requirement. No statutory requirement. Till now discussion clear? Till now clear, ma? Excellent. Next, ma. Listen, ma. 129, I told, right? Section 129 of Companies Act 2013. What I told? Preparation of financial statement in Schedule 3. It means specific formats are there. Specific formats are there to prepare financial statement under accounts. But management accounting, there is no format at all. Whatever you required, whatever decision required, whatever data you required, you can present in your own interest. నీకు ఎలా వీలైతే అలా ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇచ్చుకోవడమే తప్ప ఇలానే ఉండాలి ప్రొఫామా అని రూల్ ఎక్కడా లేదు మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్లో. నేను మాట్లాడితే లైట్గా అర్థమవుతుందా? అకౌంట్స్. సో accounts, if you observe schedule 3, certain list will be there. First share capital, and then reserves and surplus, and then non-current liability, and then current liability. Just assumption I told. Don't skip and ignore. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం రాయాలి, ఈక్విటీ రాయాలని చెప్పారు. కాదు కాదు, రిజర్వ్స్ గుర్తొచ్చింది, అది రాస్తానంటే కుదరదు, వాడు చెప్పిన ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలి. అర్థం కాలే. లా మేకర్ ఏ ఆర్డర్ చెప్తే అదే ఆర్డర్లోనే రాయాల్సిన ఆబ్లిగేషన్ ఉంటుంది. టిల్ నౌ డిస్కషన్ క్లియరా? టిల్ నౌ డిస్కషన్ క్లియర్ అమ్మా? ఎక్సలెంట్. హవెవర్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ there is no format at all. There is no format. So up to now what concept completed ma? Accounts versus management accounting. Accounts versus management accounting. Till now discussion clear? Yes, excellent. So I will give 2 minutes time. Please read entire differences. If any doubt is there, I will explain again. Please make it fast. Okay, let us continue with the one more difference. Or any point you require to repeat? No doubt, right? Please respond, ma. There is no doubt, right? Excellent. Next, ma. One more difference. Difference between costing and before financial accounting and management accounting. Don't tell group 1 versus group 2. Hello. Don't tell group 1 versus group 2. So costing versus management accounting. First, meaning. What is the, why to study costing? Can you tell? There are two objectives. Primary objective, secondary objective. Correct? What is the primary objective? Determination of selling price, ascertainment of total cost, next ascertainment of profit. Secondary objective, cost control, cost reduction. There are 5 objectives. 5 objectives can be bifurcated into 2 objectives, primary and secondary. Prima facie, if you count 5 objectives, it will come. Correct? Management accounting will be help. What purpose, ma? To make effective decision about the business operation. About the business operation. Listen, ma. Cost accounting prevents business from incurring cost beyond the budget. Cost beyond the budget. For example, if you observe group 1 budgetary control chapter, is there or not there? There, excellent. What is meant by budget? I told budget means it is a statement prepared in the current year for the purpose of future period. Future period. Prepared in the current period for the purpose of this period and next period. Next period. Simple చెప్పాలంటే కరెంట్ ఇయర్లో ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాం ఫ్యూచర్ కోసం. కరెక్టా? కరెక్టా? ఇట్ మీన్స్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. We prepared raw material consumption budget for next year. 6 lakh we told with the help of budget. What's our target? Raw material cost should be less than or equal to 6 lakh. Correct, Satya? Satya, correct? Next year, next few minutes, your target sleep. Our target to avoid the sleep. Correct, Satya? You are in dilemma whether to sleep or not. Listen here. It means, see, budget. Why are you preparing budget? To know the limit. How much limit maximum to purchase or to spend. Correct? It means cost accounting is preventing. Cost accounting is preventing. Do not incur cost beyond the budget. Do not incur the cost beyond the budget. Till now clear? Excellent. Management accounting offers. Management accounting offers a big picture how management should be strategize. How management is giving strategy to develop their business. To develop their business. Scope. Costing including management accounting. Statement true. That is the reason narrow. Scope is very much narrow. Management accounting include accounts. Accounts means financial accounts. Management accounting include costing. That is the reason much broader as compared to costing. As compared to it measures only quantitative. Here quantitative and qualitative. Cost accounting is one of the many subsets of the management accounting. Management accounting is a universal set. There is no rules and regulation at all. There is no. For example, if you observe, in the labor chapter I thought in earlier days, overtime. Or you remember? If any labor is working in a particular day beyond 8 hours of time, in excess of 8 hours worked is equal to overtime. What is the cost accounting treatment of overtime? Depends upon the situation. Regular, irregular, failure, particular department, customer request. Correct? Irregular means such OT wages shall be referred as POH. If OT is arise due to failure of particular department means such OT wages charged to particular department. Correct. Certain rules and regulations is there or not there? In management accounting there is no rules. There is no rules. You can extract the data for whatever decision making purpose. Till now clear? Listen, task of decision making is very less. In costing, calculation part is only there. However, management accounting decision making task is very high. Decision making in case of costing is less. Don't tell zero. Certain decisions should be there. Whether process should be continued or discontinued, whether joint and byproduct further processed or not. Certain decisions is there. Not fully high. But management accounting itself decision making subject. That is the main danger in our subject. Decision making. In one perspective, such decision making is perfect and all right. In another aspect, decision making is wrong. Correct? Excellent. Next one. Statutory requirement. Listen, here write section 148 of the Companies Act 2013. Section 148 of the Companies Act 2013. Correct? Listen ma. We told in the earlier differences also. 128 I told, 129 I told, section 44 AA of Income Tax Act told, section 148 of the Companies Act 2013 I told. How many sections still now clear? Covered? 4 in the differences. Correct? Listen. Out of 4 definitions, 4 sections we covered, 128, 129 is not under inter syllabus. It is coming under final law syllabus. 44 AA coming under inter syllabus. 148 Companies Act 2013 coming under audit syllabus. Audit, corporate accounting and audit is one paper. I hope you know the paper patterns. Corporate accounting as well as audit will be treated as single paper. 50 marks each, I hope. Correct? In the concept of audit or chapter of audit, section 148 is there. It will be dealing by the concerned lecturer. 148, prima facie for our discussion I will tell. 148, they are telling that I will give certain limit. If you cross such limit, you have to maintain books of costing. Otherwise, not required. ఇంకోసారి చెప్తామా? సెక్షన్ 148 ఏం చెప్తుందంటే, నేను ఒక లిమిట్ చెప్తా, ఆ లిమిట్ దాటింది నీ టర్న్ ఓవర్ అంటే బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్టింగ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి నీకు ఇష్టమన్నా లేకుండా. ఆ టర్న్ ఓవర్ లిమిట్ దాటలేదంటే బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్టింగ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అని అర్థం. కరెక్టా? సో ఆ లిమిట్ అనేది ఎప్పటికీ క్రాస్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఎప్పుడు బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్టింగ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయకూడదు అనుకుంటాయి. లిమిట్ క్రాస్ అవ్వాలి. ఎప్పుడు క్రాస్ అవ్వాలి? బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాస్టింగ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, లా ప్రకారం మనం కవర్ అవ్వాలి, మనం ఫేమస్ అవ్వాలన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే లిమిట్ దాటాలి. టర్న్ ఓవర్ లిమిట్ యాజ్ పర్ 148. I hope you understood, right? Excellent, yeah. So, no, yeah, listen. Very simple. They will tell one turnover limit. What is the turnover limit will be dealing by the concerned lecturer. But as per our discussion, according to 148, there is a chance. There is a chance. If any organization exceeding prescribed limit of turnover, not net profit here, turnover means sales here. I hope you know the meaning. Okay, now, if you cross turnover, as per 148 of the Companies Act 2013, you should maintain the books of costing. If not exceeding the or not reaching the limit, then books of costing is optional. Optional means you can maintain or maintain, not maintain. It's not a headache of law. Till now clear? Now tell me, as per legal requirement, costing books mandatory or not mandatory? Mandatory for certain companies, not mandatory for certain companies, based on their turnover limits. Correct? Management accounting, there is no legal requirement at all. As per law, management accounting is optional. No act is told management accounting is mandatory. No legality is told management accounting is mandatory. Till now clear? But till now discussion clear? Next. As per law, mandatory not mandatory? Mandatory not mandatory? Statutory audit of cost accounting is requirement in the some industries. Some industries means such industry exceeding turnover limit as specified in section 148. Please write anywhere. Some industry means if any industry exceeding turnover limit, next audit of management accounting has no statutory requirement. Next this is already covered. Dependence. Costing depends upon the management accounting. No. Why? Costing doesn't include management accounting. That is the reason never depends. Management accounting depends upon costing. Not only costing, we are depending upon accounts, we are depending upon mathematics, we are depending upon statistics, we are depending upon FM, we are depending upon management. Whatever subjects we are included, We are dependent on those subject, not those are those. Correct? Excellent. So, used. Costing will be used by management, shareholders, vendors. Not vendor, vendors. Vendors means supplier. Vendors means supplier. If you know the terminology, okay. Otherwise, please write. Vendors means supplier. Management accounting will be helpful for whom? Only management. Only what ma? Management. Till now discussion clear? These are the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. Is it clear? Next ma. Functions of management accountant. Functions of what ma? So before moving into the discussion, I will give 2 minutes time. Please revise two differences. Accounts versus management, costing versus management. If any point you need to repeat means, I will repeat and I will resolve your doubt. Please read properly. Okay. Listen ma. So coming back to our discussion, before moving into the next topic, is there any doubt regarding two topics of difference between accounts and management, costing and management accounting? No doubt, right? Excellent. Listen carefully ma. Functions of management accountant. What ma? Functions of. It is also, please make it as important, one of the area to test directly. Write short notes on functions of management accountant. Functions of management accountant. Correct? Listen. Here, two types of questions they will confuse. In one attempt, they are given functions of management accounting. One more attempt, functions of management accountant. Both are different. Functions of management accounting means they are asking subject functions. Functions of management accountant means they are asking in terms of designated person. Correct? Just assume you are the appointed as a management accountant in a MNC company. What's your roles and responsibility? Is called functions of management accountant. What's your subject roles and responsibility? Functions of management accounting. Both are different. Correct? Different questions. Don't presume one and the same answer. Respond here. So functions of what ma? Management accountant. Ma, if you observe differences between costing and management accounts and accounts means financial accounts here. Financial accounts and management accounting. One thing you can remember, management accounting will be helpful for the making effective decision towards business operation. Towards what ma? So management accountant plays what? Important role in helping a business make smart and informed decision. Smart and informed decision. Management accountant, it means employee. Employee of such department having responsibility. What responsibility is there? To make appropriate decision, to make smart decision, to make informed decision. Before making decision, we need what ma? Data. What we need? Data. So they collect, analyze, present financial information in useful way. Financial information already given by financial accounting as per schedule 3 or as per their legality. However, their presentation might be different from our presentation. Same data we will collect, same data we will analyze, but we are presenting in our way. Why? Management accounting, there is no format at all. Whatever required format is there, such format you can follow. Correct? Correct? Excellent. So, the main responsibilities, what ma? The main. Number 1, planning and accounting. Number 1, what ma? Planning and accounting. What is a planning? Management accountant is helpful for preparing future budgets. For preparing what ma? Future budget. What is the cost to be incurred? What is the sales we have to generate? What is the forecast? What is the forecast? What is the profit targets? What is the profit targets? They also make sure company has system to place in a track and manage, not financier, finance effectively. Finance is different from finance. If finance is entered in your life, finance might zero. Might chances is there. Same logic here. See, if any organization, for example, in the society view, CA and CMA having huge respect. CA, CMA, CS, huge respect they will give. Why? They having knowledge how to manage the money, how to make decision. How to make a decision is nothing but management accountant. What ma? Management accountant having place in track to the manage the finance effectively. Manage the finance effectively. Till now discussion clear? Same point will be repeated in FM. Then why are it is there in the management accounting? Means management accounting include FM. Correct? Now tell me, with this point we can conclude. What is the first role? Preparation of budget. Correct? Next, tracking. What? GPS tracking? No. And managing. What ma? Finance effectively. Finance effectively. Till now discussion clear? But till now discussion clear? Excellent. Next ma. Controlling. What ma? Controlling. Why are you preparing budget? Why are you preparing budget? It is a maximum target. You can't cross or you can't exceed. Correct? I am talking about cost related budgets. I am talking about what budget ma? For example, sales budget we forecast 2 crore sale. Economics is very good. Economy is very good. Society also accepting our product. It may reach 2.7 crore. You will tell, no, 2 crores enough. You will tell, no. Budget 2 types. Income related budget, you are expecting to exceed. Cost related budget, such limit should not exceed. Such limit should not exceed. Till now discussion clear? Clear? So till now discussion clear ma? Excellent. Listen ma. So what is the first role? Planning and accounting. What is the planning? Preparation of budget. Tracking and managing finance effectively. Finance effectively. Till now discussion clear? Excellent. Controlling. What ma? Controlling. They help. They means whom? Subject employee na? We are talking about employee roles, not subject roles. We told accountant, they are not accounting. Correct? They help monitor the company performance using tools like, no comment, no subscribe here, only like. Okay, like budgets, cost control methods, financial ratios. If you observe group 1 class, in the flexible budget, in one of the question I explained, if anyone want to, or if any organization having intention to control fixed cost, please increase the production quantity. Correct? If any organization having intention to control variable cost, please focus on techniques. Techniques. In material costing, techniques is different. Labor costing technique is different. In material costing, EOQ, levels, ABC, JIT, etc. we can tell. Correct? In case of labor, Halsey, Rowan, Bidaxo, Merix, Gantas, etc. we can tell. These are called as techniques of costing towards specific element. For all elements means standard budget. Standard marginal absorption. Standard marginal absorption. Correct, Ganga Bhavani? Correct? Excellent. So, listen here. What is the first role here? Planning and accounting. What is the second role? It means monitor company performance. Monitor company performance. That is the second role of our employee. Employee of costing department, accounting department, management accounting. Next one more role, reporting. They prepare reports to explain the reasons behind any poor performance or loss. For example, see, if you study or read the accounts, you can generate the data, how much profit earned by the company or organization, how much loss incurred by the organization in a particular period. Why huge loss? Why huge profit? Accounts never explain. Management accounting will explain the reasons why it is a high profit. Because of economy, because of good products, because of goodwill increase, whatever reason is there. Whatever reason is there. For example, Jatratnala ane movie hit avadanik major reason enti? జోక్స్ కాదు, మీరు కావాలంటే గమనించండి ఆ డేస్ని. జాతిరత్నాలు అనే మూవీ సూపర్ హిట్ అవ్వడానికి ఒకే ఒక రీజన్, అప్పటి వరకు కోవిడ్ లాక్డౌన్, ఫస్ట్ మూవీ థియేటర్లో రావడం. చిట్టి కాదురా చిట్టి పాపడా, అర్థమవుతుంది? చిట్టి అంట ఈను. సో మరి అంత హై ఎండ్ కలెక్షన్ రావడానికి ఏంటి మా కారణం అంటే, ఒక పర్టికులర్ డేస్ నుంచి ఒక పర్టికులర్ డేస్ వరకు రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేశారు పబ్లిక్ని. మూవీ థియేటర్స్కి వెళ్ళకోకుండా, బయటికి వెళ్ళకోకుండా ఉన్న పలానా వదిలేశారు. సరే వెళ్ళండి, చిట్టి దగ్గరికి కాదురా, ఏదో చిట్టి దగ్గరికి అంటావు, వెళ్ళండి అని అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్గా ఫస్ట్ మూవీ కోవిడ్ తర్వాత. అందుకోసమే ప్రాఫిట్స్ ఎక్కువ రావడానికి, అంటే సినిమా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేని వాళ్ళు, లేదా సినిమా తక్కువ అప్పుడప్పుడే చూస్తానన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా సినిమాలకు వచ్చారు ఆ డేస్లో. అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్ మీనింగ్, సి అకౌంటింగ్, లిసన్ హియర్, accounting will helpful how much profit is generated by producer, but what reason such profit is increased? Management accounting will explain. That is the difference between accounts and management accounting. Correct? We will explain each and every reason what is a poor performance. This concept will be repeated in divisional performance measurement chapter. Divisional performance measurement chapter. including learning curve chapter. Please write or make it note. Explain the reasons. Please make it note here. Explain the reasons in the chapter of DPM. I will write short, not DDM here, DPM. DDM is different from DPM here. Divisional performance measurement. Divisional performance measurement. క్లియరా? మరి రాశారు అంటే అది తీసేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోయింది, పర్మనెంట్గా ఉండదు, అక్కడ రాయేస్తుంది. హలో, రాసేది అయిందా? ఎక్సలెంట్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ రోల్ హియర్? Planning and accounting. Planning means preparation of budget. Accounting means tracking and managing finance effectively. Control, monitor the company performance. We will report what is a profit or loss and along with reason. So report profit or loss along with reason. Profit or loss can be explained through account subject itself, but reason can't explain accounts. Management accounting will explain reason. What is the main reason? What is the main reason? Next one. One more role and responsibility of subject employee. Employee. They bring different departments together. Why? See, management accountant will bring different departments together. Why? They require data. Costing data required, accounting data required, economics data required, mathematics data required, statistics data required. అవసరం అనేది ఏదైనా చేపిస్తుంది అన్నట్టు చెప్తాడు. మీకు అర్థం కావట్లేదా? ఆత్రం అనలేదు, నేను అవసరం అన్నా. మీరు మిస్ఇంటర్ప్రిట్ చేస్తున్నారు ప్రతి వర్డింగ్ని. సో దే బ్రింగ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వంశీ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను, పోతే పనులు వదిలేయి. మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటెంట్ bring what different department together by comparing cost and results, help the organization to run smoothly, to meet the goals, objective. Clear? సాయి కుమార్ పక్కన రాయట్లేదు, భానుబాయి కాదు, నువ్వే రాయవా? సో నెక్స్ట్ one more role. What is the first role? Planning and accounting. Second role, controlling. Third role, reporting. Next fourth role, fifth role, communication. We will prepare report. We will explain the reason. Correct? We prepare report. Profit or loss? Can you tell why profit is increased or decreased? Why loss is increased or decreased? Can you tell? Answer is yes. You have to communicate, right? Analyzing data, okay. We have to communicate to top level management. Then they will take appropriate decision. Correct? It means they create what reports for both internal managers and external stakeholder to clearly share how well the company is doing financially. Listen, management accounting, listen carefully. Here both terminology will be used. Management accounting can explain how much profit is earned by the company during a particular period. Answer yes or no? Yes. What is a profit? To increase or decrease a profit? They explain. Management accounting explain or not explained? Listen, here two types of information we are generating as a management accountant. Number one, don't know. How can I know? Hello, good morning. What is the first information? Profit or loss? Such information given to external people. Second part, reasons for such profit or loss will be given for internal people. Correct? Charan, correct? I hope it is correct, right? Excellent. Till now discussion clear? Till now clear? Prince Charan, are you understood now? What information going to external people? Don't know. Why? I slept. Tell me, what type of information moving to the external people? Profit or loss. What type of information will move to the internal people? Reason. Same logic here. Simple. Whatever, listen carefully. Accounts is equal to, they will explain the only result. Management accounting will explain result along with reason. Accounts will explain result. Management accounting will explain result and reason. Result, whatever accounting information will generate, accounting information, whatever generate, same information generated by, same data generated by management accounting, right? So, accounting and management accounting, whatever same data is generated, will move for public. Whatever accounting information is not generated, only management accounting only generated reason, that information will kept in the internally. ఇది కనుక తెలియదు అంటే చదివేసరి ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఇంటర్నల్ అంటున్నాడు, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అంటున్నాడు, ఏంటి అని. సింపుల్ అమ్మా, ఇంకోసారి చెప్తాను నేను. అకౌంట్స్ రిజల్ట్ని చెప్తుందా, ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ని? మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ అలాంగ్ విత్ రీజన్ చెప్తుందా? ఇక్కడ కామన్గా రెండు సబ్జెక్టులు ఒక పాయింట్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తుంది. ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రిజల్ట్. రిజల్ట్ అనేది అకౌంట్స్ చెప్తుందా, చెప్దా? మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ చెప్తుందా, చెప్దా? అది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పీపుల్కి ఇవ్వు. ఎందుకంటే అకౌంట్స్ వచ్చిందా ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పీపుల్ కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడానికి. కరెక్టా? రీజన్ అకౌంట్స్ చెప్తుందా? లేదు. మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ చెప్తుందా? కాబట్టి ఎవరికి చెప్పద్దు, ఇంటర్నల్గా ఉంచు విత్ ఇన్ ద కంపెనీ. ఇప్పటికీ అర్థం కాలే. సో ప్లీజ్ రైట్ హియర్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ రిజల్ట్ విల్ బి కమ్యూనికేటెడ్. క్యాట్ రిజల్టా? నో, కంపెనీ రిజల్ట్. ఎంత రిజల్టా? ఇంటర్నల్ రీజన్స్. Yashwant, you are not writing primary. So next year. So what is the first role? Don't know. Planning and control. Controlling. Reporting. Next, coordinating. Communication. One more thing. Financial evaluation and interpretation. Financial evaluation. And they study, they mean subject or employer. They study financial data, explain it in simple terms, helping company leaders and shareholders for well-informed decisions. Well-informed decision. It means management accountant is analyze the financial data. They are giving to whom? Two persons. Number one, company leaders, means internal. Shareholders means external. Please write here internal people, here external people. తీసుకోలేదా? అడిగి తీసుకోవచ్చుగా. మరి ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? మన నుంచి ఏం చేస్తున్నావు బాబు? దొరా So next listen here. Listen. One more role. Tax administration. They manage tax related activities. Make sure taxes are paid on time and prepare necessary reports. If you are not okay, listen. Okay, if you are not paid taxes, what is the consequence? Penalties. What type of penalties are there? Fees. Fine. Extra tax. Oh, free shelter. Seize. Any more? I am talking about income tax. Bakwas fellow. You are telling about good night, sweet dream, take care. I am talking about income tax. You are supposed to pay income tax but not paid. What is the consequence? Certain penalties will be levied or fines will be levied. Correct? How they will collect fines or penalties? Anyone? If any assessee in India fail to pay income tax amount, then they will issue show cause notice initially. If assessee is not responded for show cause notice also, they will issue or they will recover such tax amount same like land revenue arrears. Same like land revenue arrears. It's a provision is there in the income tax. ల్యాండ్ రెవెన్యూ అరియర్స్లో ఏముంటుంది తెలుసమ్మా, ఏం చేయరు, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మ్యాజిస్ట్రేట్ వచ్చి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కలెక్టర్ వచ్చి ఆ ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి లేదా అసెసీ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చి ట్యాక్స్ అమౌంట్ ఒక 2 lakh పెండింగ్ ఉంది, వాడికి ఒక మిషనరీ ఉంది, ఆ మిషనరీ అమ్ముకు దొబ్బేసి 5 lakh వస్తే 2 lakh తీసుకొని 3 lakh వాడి చేతిలో పెట్టి బాయ్ అని చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ అరియర్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాక్స్ కలెక్షన్, సేమ్ యాజ్ ల్యాండ్ రెవెన్యూ అరియర్స్. ల్యాండ్ రెవెన్యూ అరియర్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఎక్స్పెషల్లీ మా విలేజెస్లో మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్స్ కట్టకపోతే సర్పంచ్ మనోళ్ళు ఉంటారు, అందరూ మామ బాబాయ్ అని పిలుతుంటారుగా, విలేజెస్లో నేను మాట్లాడుతుంది, అక్కడ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది, సిటీస్లో వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్స్ కట్టాల్సిందే, కట్టకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారు, అంటారా, కట్టకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారమ్మా, మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్స్ కట్టలేదమ్మా. మున్సిపల్ ట్యాక్స్ అంటే తెలుసా, హౌస్ మీద ట్యాక్స్ కడతావు లోకల్ గవర్నమెంట్కి, కట్టకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి, ఏం చేస్తారు, ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ, చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ తెలుసు మీకు. ఓకే, సో జనరల్గా హౌస్ ట్యాక్స్ కట్టకపోతే షోకాస్ నోటీస్ ఇస్తారు కట్టమని, అప్పటికి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకపోతే వాళ్ళే వచ్చి ఇంటిని వేలం వేసి, సీజ్ కాదు సేల్, డైరెక్ట్ సేల్ చేస్తారు. సేల్ చేసి ఆ వచ్చిన ల్యాండ్ రెవెన్యూ ఏదైతే పెండింగ్ ఉందో అది తీసుకొని రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ కట్టి నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి కట్టక్కర్లేదని చెప్తాడు. ఎందుకు, ఓన్ హౌస్ ఉండదు కదా. అర్థమవుతుందా? సేమ్ లాజిక్ ఈజ్ అప్లికబుల్ ఫర్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్. If this scenario is happened for any organization, it will impact on negative goodwill. That is the reason our management accountant helps to pay the tax on time. That is the reason to avoid penalties. That is the most beautiful subject here, management accounting. See, management accounting is focusing on tax amount. How should tax amount should pay, how to reduce the tax. Whatever your tax should be paid on time, within the due date. We can tell within the due date. Okay, what is the due date? We have to study in the income tax subject. Next ma, evaluating what ma? External effects. They keep an eye on government policies. Government policies they will check. Why? Why ma? Why? For example, listen carefully. Listen, I will tell one practical example. Don't know, in America election is already completed actually, last 1 year, I hope 1 year or 1.5 year back. Okay, before Trump is a opposition leader. Okay, after election, as per their people decision, American people decision, and time and God decided Trump is the new president of America. Correct? After taking as a presidential charges of America, he is imposed certain taxes on Indian imports. In our example, exports. For them, imports, right? In our view, exports here. In American view, imports, right? Trump is imposed 250% extra tax. 250% for political reason, whatever reason is there, but certain percentage is imposed. India is totally silent for certain days. Why? Okay, తాగేసి ఏమన్నా 250%, 25%, 250 చేసాడేమో కామ్గా ఉంది ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఎప్పటికీ విత్డ్రా చేసుకోకపోయేసరికి ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, దాని కౌంటర్గా నువ్వు పర్టికులర్ థింగ్ని విధిస్తే ట్యాక్సెస్ ఎక్స్ట్రా పే చేసి కలెక్ట్ చేస్తాను అంటే మేము కూడా తగ్గేదిలే, మేము కూడా అదే పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇస్తామన్నారు. నువ్వు కూడా ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తావు ఇండియాకి ఏదో ఒకటి, వాళ్ళ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్, మన పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఇంపోర్ట్, అంతేనా, మేము కూడా అదే పర్సెంటేజ్ చేస్తాం. తప్పనిసరి పరిస్థితిలో ఇప్పటికీ ఇంకా ఇద్దరు కాంప్రమైజ్ అవ్వలేదని నా ఒపీనియన్. రెండు గవర్నమెంట్స్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది ఆ బక్వాస్ గవర్నమెంట్, మంది కాదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? అమెరికన్ గవర్నమెంటే వాళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. వాట్ ఎవర్ రీజన్ సెకండరీ. ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ సైలెంట్గా ఉంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రీసెంట్గా బంగ్లాదేశ్లో అల్లర్లు జరుగుతున్నాయి, కరెక్టా, తెలుసా? ఓకే. బంగ్లాదేశ్లో అల్లర్లు జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది. హిందువుల మీద దాడులు చేస్తున్నారు అనే ఒపీనియన్ అయితే బయటకు వస్తుంది. కరెక్టా? గవర్నమెంట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి ఒకానొక దశలో డెసిషన్ తీసుకుందామా అన్న అజంప్షన్ వచ్చింది. మన ఇండియా నుంచి సర్టెన్ మెట్రిక్ టన్స్ ఆఫ్ రైస్ వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆపేమనుకో ఫుడ్ లేక ఫుడ్ మీద పడతారు వాళ్ళు, ఉద్యమం ఆగుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? కరెక్టా? జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఈజ్ డిక్లేరింగ్ ప్రొహిబిట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ప్రోడక్ట్ టు ద బంగ్లాదేశ్. దే టోల్డ్ లైక్ దట్, జస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. కరెక్టా? Bangladesh might have chances of alternative, or otherwise they will keep quiet. India government is did very well to protect the or to control the situation, but in the view of exporter it is a loss. In the view of exporter, business person here, we have business mindset. Irrespective of the nation, I have to earn money, that's all. Whatever I invested, I should get return in terms of my money. Correcta? It means as a management accountant, we have to observe government policies. We have to observe what ma? Government policies. Such government policy, if government is changed, government policy might change. Government policy might change. Correcta? Correcta? Excellent. Okay, anyway, so coming back to our discussion, listen carefully. Online students may confuse, voice is not audible, don't worry. Just it's a doubt from for offline student. Okay. Listen here. Listen here. Correct, right? Shashi already asked right doubt. Okay. Listen. So they keep an eye on the what ma? If government is changed, before government our business is legal, new government is changed, new policy is implemented, our business might get into illegal, might get as a illegal here. If government told this business should not be done, it might illegal, it might illegal. Next ma, law changes and report how these may affect the business. How may affect means government policies, how affect the business. Law changes, what is the impact on the business. Are you heard the rummy game, 13 cards game? How many people know the 13 card game? Be frankly here. See, అరే గేమే వ్యసనంగా మారితే ఇబ్బంది, కానీ వ్యసనంగా మారినంత వరకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. 1 2 excellent from girls, excellent 3 4 5 6. Okay, some of the people I hope majority of the people know the 13 card game, but because of shy or any other reason, you are not responded. I hope it is. Correct? Listen. Okay, no issues. No issues. Listen. With maturity, if you play any game, it is always okay. Without maturity means it will may impact on your financial position. It may impact. Okay, anyway. So if you observe 13 card game, certain rules will be there. Certain whatever play cards are there, they will distribute to each player 13 cards on random basis. They will kept in a public way in certain cards. They have to drop one card, they have to pick up new card. That is a rule here. Number one, 3 cards should be kept as a one set, 4 cards should be kept as one set, 3 cards should be kept as one set, and one more 3 cards. Correct? J, Q, K. I hope. Are here? Are really here? See. Really? Okay. See, listen. If you observe certain things, okay. One more. Joker will be not revealed. Whoever revealed the first set, Joker will be visible. Otherwise, Joker always closed. Correct? For example, Joker number 4. 4 number you can use for any set of series. These are game rules, sir, actually. Correct? If you download the Rummy app before 2014, it is illegal in Andhra Pradesh. After 2014, Andhra Pradesh government, Telangana government, and certain governments, they restricted or prohibited online Rummy games. Online Rummy games. Otherwise, we can tell one more example here. For example, now at a present days, recently India versus what match are going on? Australia. Not Indian women here. Are bakwas fellow. Recent match జరిగింది కదా, India versus South Africa, right? T20s won by such series won by India. I hope one match is dropped due to weather condition. I hope one match is won by South Africa, remaining matches won by India. Series is with the India. I hope it is correct. Correct? If you observe the match, they wear Indian jersey, all players. All players means related to Indian players here. You no need to search what about South Africa player. I am talking about Indian player. They are wearing Indian jersey. On what name here? Who is the sponsor? Sponsor? Apollo Tires. If you observe the jersey of Indian cricket team, especially I am talking about men, Apollo Tires, they are official sponsors. If you observe, recently Asia Cup 2025 already over. Before Asia Cup, who is a sponsor for Indian team? Excellent, Dream 11. Dream 11 having paid certain amount to the Indian Cricket Board on auction or bid. They took contract for 5 years. They took contract for how many years? Approximately, if I am not wrong, 3 years already over, 2 years still left. But Indian Cricket Board withdraw their contract based on the law passed in the parliament. You getting my point? Parliament lo law pass ayin. ఏమన్నమా అంటే ప్రొహిబిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్లైన్ గేమ్స్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ యాక్ట్. ఏ ఆన్లైన్ గేము ఎంకరేజ్ చేయకూడదు, ఏ సెలబ్రిటీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఎస్పెషలీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్, సోషల్ మీడియా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్, సినీ సెలబ్రిటీస్, దే ఆర్ ప్రమోటింగ్ ఫర్ దేర్ ఓన్ వెల్త్. But seeing that advertisement may lead to spoil the life of the individual persons. Correct? In Parliament, one act is passed really in 2025. Prohibition of online games. Prohibition of such including Dream 11. That is the reason Indian Cricket Board cancelled the Dream 11 contract. Dream 11 sponsorship contract. It means in the view of Dream 11, Dream 11, it is a business person, right? Dream 11 is a business person, right? Based on the government policy, business will legal to illegal they changed. Before passing an act in Parliament, it is illegal. After passing an act, it is illegal. That is the reason, as a employee of management accounting or management accountant, we have to check completely government policies. Government policies we have to check. Based on the government policies, based on the government policies, such government policy might favorable to the business, might not be favorable to the business. How it will be affected, we have to analyze. We have to analyze. Clear? Please write. Government policy may affect or may not affect for our business. For our business. ఎక్కడ రాయాలి నాలుగు ఇచ్చినట్టు ఈ పాయింట్ పక్కన రాసేయండి. So next year, listen here. Economic appraisal. What year? Economic. They study. They mean subject employer. They study overall economy and report. Overall economy and report how economic changes might impact the company, helping leaders to prepare for challenges. Why to study economics? Listen carefully. For example, bathing soaps here. Bathing soaps. What is the company names? Can you tell? Santur, Mysore Sandal. Excellent. Okay, enough. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Enough here. Okay, one more example I will take. So many examples you told. Santur, Synthol, Rexona, Number One, Dove, Pierce, Lifebuoy. Life Girl, no. Lifebuoy only here. Okay, Medimix, Margo, etc. you can tell. Correct? Listen here. If you want to purchase laptop, what is the company names? Dell, HP, Lenovo, MacBook, Apple company here. Next, ThinkPad, Apple I already told, MacBook, Gormako, Acer. So okay, so many companies are there. Just please here, please listen. Dell made in Japan, Germany, or any other country? China. Made in China. Lenovo? Made in China. MacBook is nothing but Apple laptop. Made in China. Made in China. Okay. Lenovo, HP, Dell, Asus, MacBook. All the laptop companies made in China. Made in China. Why made in China? Means, see, laptop spare parts are manufactured in different place of country. They are getting in one place, they are assembled like a laptop in China. For example, every laptop company assembling section place is there in the China. Why China they are opting? Because of high population. If high population is there, unemployment is there. If unemployment is there, as a business person, I can get labor cost will cheap. Correct? Hello, good morning. If labor cost is decreased, means total cost will decrease, profit might increase, subject condition, selling price constant. Correct? How you know such country having high population? You are living in China, na? No. Economic report will be helpful. What is the GDP? What is the unemployment rate? Correct? What is the inflation rate? What is the deflation rate? Inflation rate also will consider by the business person. Why? If inflation rate is high, we can't survive in that country. Opportunity cost of capital is very high here. Correct? So many factors are there. For example, one sweet manufacturing shop opened. Excellent. Surrounding diabetic hospitals are there. Is it business successful or can't success? Can't success. Correct? One saree business is opened in a particular center surrounding bachelor rooms. bachelor boys. Okay na? Is it success or can't success? No. Correct? For example, before opening any business in any particular area or country, they will check demographic area. Demographic. What is the GDP? What is a literacy? Literacy is different from education. Correct? Literacy means who are able to write and read. Write and read is called literate. Those are completed certain degrees is called educated. మీరందరూ లిటరేట్సే సేమ్ ఇంటర్ ఫైనల్ పాస్ అయిన వరకు పాస్ అయితే ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్. అర్థమవుతుంది, మీరు చదవగలరు రాయగలరు కదా. హలో, కరెక్టా? లిటరసీ రేట్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ మీన్స్ బిజినెస్ కెన్ రన్ స్మూత్లీ. Business can do or can deal easily with the people, especially literate. Illiterate might have very less chance. There should be high patience, like a teacher with dealing with you, na? Correct? Respond yaar. మీరందరూ లిటరేట్సే కానీ ఇల్లిటరేట్ లాగా బిహేవ్ చేస్తారు అంతే మీరు. జశ్వంత్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అసెట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్. వాట్ ఇయర్? అసెట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్. దే కీప్ records of what year? Company assets. Apply safety check. Ensure assets are properly insured and protected. Insured and protected. Correct? These 9 roles. Subject employee. Subject employee ma? Employee. Till now discussion clear? Additional key roles. Apart from 9 roles, additional key roles are there. What? Give advice. Give how company policies are working and suggest any improvement. If it is any negative points are there, please give any suggestion to improve our business. To improve our business. For example, if you observe or visit DMart, certain chocolates and chewing gums will be kept at cash counter, nearby cash counter. Why? Children might having chances to attract to purchase. Number 1. Number 2, adult not misused. No. Change purpose. అదే చిన్న కిరాణా స్టోర్ అనుకున్నా, చేంజ్ పర్పస్ ఉంటా గొర్రి. See, children will come to the whatever cash counter is there in the DMart along with parent. Along with parent, right? Children may demand, if you are not buying, I will not come to your house. I will keep here, I will stand here only. Parent might have chances to purchase. This is a logic number 1. Logic number 2, if such chocolates or chewing gums are kept in normal rack, they will open the chocolate, they will keep quiet. They will eat. They will eat. If any DMart employee or representative asking, you want, okay, take it here. Correct? That is the reason they are telling that please kept such items in a nearby cash counter or nearby safeguarding place. Safeguarding place. For example, olden days here, if you visit DMart, Big Bazaar, Reliance Mart or any other like these platforms, you want to purchase a new shirt but you doesn't have funds, then you will nearby you visit the DMart, whatever shirt you require, just wear it and coming back. Trial room having only old shirt. Correct? Correct? For that transaction, such company is suffering or such business is suffering so much loss. That is the reason one product is introduced. One product. What is a product? Such shirt or textile should be pinned. Such pin can't remove. Such pin can remove with the help of one mission only. No, yeah, such pin can remove only with the help of such mission only. Without bill, if you are coming back, crime partner, if without bill, if you are coming, that metal detector will give beep sound. Hey, thief is going on, please take care. Like that, one beep sound is there. That is called suggestion for improvement. Suggestion for what, ma? Next, ma, compare actual performance. Compare what, ma? Along with plans. Difference is called, right? Difference is called, can you guess? We are comparing performance along with plan. Difference is called variance. I thought in the standard costing chapter. Difference between plan and actual is called variance. Next year, additional key role, help design and implement overall plans like spending budgets, investment strategies. They make sure company financial assets are secure with proper internal control and insurance. Till now discussion clear? Till now clear? Remaining topics will be discussed in the